Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on Hantec Markets. And if you want to do this, we go right here to hantec.com and select right here try a demo. Then we select right here MT5, fill in right here or leverage, fill in right here or demo size. And then what we're going to do right now is fill in our first name, last name, email, country and phone number. So we will do this real quick. And then we do open demo account. And then right here, if you go to your email, you received right here your login and your password for the web trader for MT5. So what we're going to do right now is we click right here on login, and now we can use right here this as our login to this page. So we will do this real quick. And we can use this password right here, and then we log in with it and do connect to account, and boom, there we are, guys. Now we are in, and now we can start demo trading. So let's say we want to buy or sell a position. We go right here to symbol and search for, let's say, Bitcoin to US dollars. We select right here Bitcoin to US dollars, and now we do right here new order. Then we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy, so 0.01 is fine. We can put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And then simply click right here on buy market. Then right now, if you scroll a little bit down right here, you see that we are having here a position of a volume of 0.01. And if you want to close our position, we can click right here on the cross. There we do I accept these terms and conditions. And then we do accept. And now we close right here or trade. So this is right here how you can demo trade right here on Hantec Markets. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.